Welcome to the last Christmas tour at the Bluebird as it is. I sure hope this spring we're going to have some big changes, but come on in and see what it looks like here at Christmas. Here we are at the Bluebird. See the lovely paneling. I do love this Trisha Romance picture that our friend gave us as a wedding gift. Some of our wedding pictures. Come on in. Here's what we call our carpet room. Right, Leah? More of this paneling. We got the candles all lit. There's our Christmas tree. It's just a little pencil tree, but I love it. Kids gave me a starship for the top. All right, our carpet seems to match really great with the jewel tones here at Christmas time. And the kitchen here with its wonderful patterns as well. We got a nice snowy day out there. Got my teapot out that my cousin gave me for Christmas. Let's see, our fancy kitchen here. It is cozy. Floors aren't straight. We've got different patterns everywhere, but it's going to work for this year. Let's walk on through here. Leia's out on the porch. We leave this door open for her. She goes out. Oh, she's looking for food. We had some food out here. We got a little hole here for her. She goes down the ramp and has a little doggy run out there. Let's show you what's going on outside. A little chilly today. Well, what'd you find, Leah? We're getting ready for an open house. We've had lots of food. It's cold out here on the porch, but not freezing. So that works good. All right, this is the old part of the house, and this part is actually going to be torn down. It's the 2-story. And then this way is the part that will remain, and it's behind the garage. So this door here is our garage door. And then this is what's behind it. A bit of a hallway, which will remain. And a bedroom with an ensuite here, which is our bedroom right now. We'll keep that. And then this family room here. This is where the best view is of the house right now. Will become our bedroom someday. Yeah, we can look out the windows here to see what we got. See the dock out here. My orchid that kids gave me. I like this view. Get lots of critters out there with this creek. Okay. Got some Christmas ambiance on the TV. And our wood stove, just gas. Stockings are hung. Okay, I'm gonna put my bike out in the garage when we have our open house tomorrow. Let's go downstairs just for kicks. This part is going to stay. That's a good size room. Brad, he's been testing the walls, pulling down the wood and that and seeing what's there, so he put some elf legs there. It's kind of cute. Here's the view from down here. We're like right on the water, which is pretty neat. And then there's another bedroom back here. All right, let's go upstairs. You get looking around, there's a lot to this place. Like I said, we'll keep this side. The other side is going to have to be torn down. And we'll keep the restaurant. You'll have to watch and see what we do with that. All right, let's have a quick little check upstairs. Isn't this carpet wild? These stairs are so steep. It's paneling all the way up. The old curtains are still in here. They're a lace curtain here. The floors are so wobbly. That's Avery's room there. The door doesn't even close. So there are only 7-foot ceilings here. That's the attic. I've done an attic tour there at Halloween, a creepy attic tour. These closets here to my right are great because we haven't had a lot of closet storage. That works fantastic. So there's another room in here. Tiny room, no closet. And this little lounge here. We could put a bed in there. The wreaths on the door, on the windows, I thought that'd be a great idea. From outside, I have wreaths on the windows. And then I have lights that are in the kitchen. And from the road when we pulled away, it looked like a monster with eyes and a mouth. Like, oh my gosh. Everything looks scary. Okay. Let's go over to the restaurant and we'll have a look inside there. All right, the snow is coming down. The restaurant will be open tomorrow. And here we are at the Bluebird. We put a tree out here, a little train underneath. Got our charcuterie table. We'll set it all up tomorrow. We got food all ready. We can't wait for all our friends and family to come. All the tables, we got matching tablecloths, candles, put lots of pictures on the wall. And I think we're ready. What do you think, Brad?
I would say we are.
Let's have a look out the window. And the snow's coming. Yeah. We even put a Santa out on the dock. See if you can see him from here. Oh, you can't even see him barely. I can see him better. But we are ready for Christmas. This is the last Christmas in this place, right?
And then we're...
Make me a promise.
Yes, I'm going to try to make sure.
Oh, try. You can't even do it. Stop.
This is it.